Hiya, this is a quick review of the Donner DST1 electric guitar. It's a full-size 39-inch Strat style guitar, but before we get to that, I just want to point out that this is a crazy deal because it's $104.99 I got it for, so less than £105, and you get with it a tuner, a strap, a guitar cable, a set of plectrums, an extra set of strings, a guitar capo, and this little 3-watt guitar amp, as well as obviously the guitar itself. This is just like I say, this is a crazy deal for a beginner's guitar, and obviously it is a beginner's guitar, but it's a nice beginner's guitar. So I'll get the guitar out now. So this is it here. It's actually really nice quality. I was quite surprised, to be honest. Because as I say, everything you get with it, you know, that's got to be nearly worth £100 alone, especially with the amp. The amp's excellent. So the guitar itself has got ebony fretboard with Canadian maple neck. As I say, it's full-size 39-inch Strat style guitar. It's got SSH pickups, 5-way selector switch, and it's pretty rad. So I'm just going to play a little bit. I'm not the best guitarist in the world. I'm a bass player, so apologies for that. But I think it sounds pretty nice. Yeah, so that's the clean. This is obviously the guitar, but the clean setting on the 3-watt Donner amp which comes with it, which again, you know, is an excellent little product in its own right. It's got tone, it's got gain, it's got a distortion channel as well, which I'll show you now. Pretty cool, I think. There you go. But yeah, so £105 roughly. You probably want, you know, I'd recommend getting a setup on it, but that, I mean, what's that cost? 40–50 quid, just to sort the action out, and clean it all up so it's good to go, get the frets leveled, etc. But beginner's guitar, 100 quid, comes with an amp, and as I say, the amp is plenty good enough for practicing. clean. It's pretty cool. I recommend it. Oh, and it also comes with a gig bag. £105. Madness.
Hi, thanks for viewing this. I picked up this Donner Stratocaster and have just been impressed with it and wanted to give you a quick video review of this guitar. And this is their guitar, their standard series, as it says up on the headstock here. Really nice logo there. Nice rosewood fretboard. Nice pickups here. 3-way switches, tones, volume. 5-way selector switch. On the back of the guitar, you have the neck plate here, even engraved. I was really surprised by that. Nice satin smooth. Back of the neck. It feels really good playing on. No jagged frets at all on this guitar. Hard Canadian maple wood. It means my neck is going to stay straight. Tuners are really good. Better than many entry-level guitars where you're always, after playing a couple chords, you're tuning. I did not have to retune this guitar at all, and I've been just playing it like crazy, and it's amazing. This is all original still, stock strings on it. Everything is just out of the box. As I pulled it out yesterday, just left it sit a day to acclimate. And as I did that, I then checked the tuning of it. It was just tuned down a half step, which I really like for shipping. Annotation was spot on, man. It was really awesome to find a guitar that does that right out of the box. So no adjustments except tuning it up with the Donner tuner. I want to show you just some of the sounds I can get from this guitar. I'm playing on the neck pickup, clean, through my Boss Fender, Boss Next Tone amp. Just want to show you some of the sounds that I can get from this guitar on the clean channel, neck pickup. Chords sound really nice through it. Sounds really, really good. I can just feel the music just vibrating through the bass wood of this guitar. Very impressed with it. I just put it down here on the lead channel, put on my OCD pedal, just let you hear how that sounds through there. So. Just really awesome. It just screams music. It really does. I put it up on the middle pickup now, and I leave my OCD pedal on and just show you just a basic little blues boogie woogie style thing. Really awesome. Let me just bring it up to the neck pickup. Take off my OCD pedal, going once again clean, and just give you an idea. Really awesome guitar, highly recommended. Go out and get one today. For any beginner, any intermediate will fall in love with this guitar. Thank you.
It's got all the pieces to it, but the amp I don't like. It's too little. It's not even as, probably, it's not even as big as my hand is. But the guitar itself is cool. And it also runs off a telephone cord.